Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you had an amazing weekend and I hope you guys are safe and sound at home, and even if you are going out, please use gloves to pick up the stuff and mask. Don't forget to wear the mask. And CVS, I think they had put the mandatory in California that you have to wear mask if you are entering the store. So be careful, always have your mask on. That will protect you and others as well. Okay, I bought the haul for this week for the CVS, and rather than wasting more time, please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to do that. And if you have already subscribed, really appreciate it. Now, rather than wasting more time of yours, let's go to deal one by one. So first deal is on Schick. Schick this week is spend 25, get $10 extra bucks with the limit of 1. I purchased these two. The Schick Hydro Silk 3 and Schick Trimmer 18-1. 18-1 was $19.99 and Hydro Silk 3 was $9.79. That brought my total to $29.78. I used two CRTs of $5 of Trimmer 18-1 and $4 CRT of Schick razors of two of them. I had $3 of $12 Schick CRT and I had $3 of $12 any razor CRT. Including that, there were $3 of digital coupon that is also coming off, and $1 of Schick app only is also there. After all these CRTs and coupons, this is my total to $1.78, and I got back $10 extra bucks, making it $8.22 money maker. If you have those CRTs, don't forget to send coupons to your card and use $1 of Schick app only coupon. That will definitely help, and this is a good one because that can help you in others. Like I bought the Huggies in my other transaction, and this $8 went towards that, and that reduces the price as well. So don't forget to do that. That will be really helpful. Let's go to next deal. Next deal is on L'Oreal. There is no as such deal on L'Oreal, but I had good CRTs, so that's why I used it. This L'Oreal Age Perfect Hydro Nutrition was $20.49. I had two CRTs of $7 L'Oreal Age Perfect Moisturizer, and I had $5 of $15 L'Oreal Age Perfect Moisturizer CRT. I combined all these three CRTs, and that reduces my total to $1.49. I rolled over $1.49, but this counts toward beauty as well. I got back $2 in beauty bucks, making it 51-cent money maker. If you have those CRTs, use them because this product is not as cheap as we think. These are going to be very costly, and usually we have a deal like spend 30 get $10 off, or they are mixed match with Garnier or some other products, but this time there was no deal. But if you have CRTs they are getting expired, use them this week. That will be helpful. Okay, let's go to next deal. Next deal is on Colgate. Colgate this week is $3.49, and when you buy two, you will get back $4.50 in extra bucks with the limit of 2. I purchased these 4 Colgate Total Teeth Whitening Advanced Whitening. They were marked as $3.49. That brought my total to $13.96. Then I used $5 of 3 sent to card coupon on CVS app, or you can log in into your account. Then I used $3 teeth whitening CRT. 2 of them I got. That reduces my total to $2.96. I rolled off $2.96 and got back $9 in extra bucks, making it $6 money maker. I'm mentioning again that these money makers always help toward Huggies or other deals like detergent deals. These are really helpful. So don't forget to do these deals. That will really appreciate and lower your price as well. Let's go to next deal. Jergens this week is spend 12 get $4 extra bucks with a limit of 1. I bought these Jergens lotion and Jergens body wash. because I had a body wash CRT, so I made this deal. If you have a lotion CRT, then you can buy lotion as well. And I did not have any coupon. I only used a digital coupon on this one. So I purchased this lotion, Jergens lavender lotion. This was marked as $7.99 at my store, and body wash was also $7.99, making it $15.98 as total. I used $2 off 8 body wash CRT. I used $5 off 2 Jergens CRT that printed for me last week, and there was 50 cents off Jergens app only coupon, and there is $2 off Jergens digital send to card coupon. This week also we got Jergens coupon in the insert. So if you have those insert, don't forget to combine them. You can use them. That can lower your price as well. For me, it cost $6.48 after using all those coupons, and I got back $4 extra bucks, making it $2.48 for both of them. And these counts toward beauty as well, so that will reduce further price, making them $1 for both of them, means 50 cents for this body wash and 50 cents for Jergens lotion. And we know that prices are very high for both of them. That can be a really reasonable. And as we discussed earlier, that there were few overage and few money makers that we did, like Colgate deal, Schick deal, that will really help you guys as well in reducing this price. So don't forget to do this deal. I will suggest, if you have those CRTs, it should be in must to deal. Okay, let's go to next deal. So as we all know that there is a CVS freebie every day going on, like this week, sorry, not this week, like today it was, say, CVS Health medicated heat patch. So I sent to my card, and this was $5.79, and it got free because of that. So I will definitely suggest, if you can do this deal, do it. Send it. Don't forget to send it to the card. It is going till 18th of July. So definitely doing the rest of them too. Okay, next one is Beauty 360 cotton balls. That was marked as $2.99, and I had 3 CRTs of $1. I used all of them and making it free of cost. So if you have those, you can combine them, and that will be helpful too. So Sting Kill is buy one get $5 extra bucks with the limit of 1 this week, and this one was marked as $5.79 at my store. I purchased this one, I rolled extra bucks and got back $5 extra bucks, making it 79 cents. Not a bad deal if you want to do it, but usually they're $5.79, and this week it will cost only 79 cents. Okay, let's go to next deal. Physician Formula. So Physician Formula this week is buy 2 get $8 extra bucks with a limit of 1. I purchased these two. They were marked as $8.49 at my store, making the total to $16.98. I used $4 off instant coupon on Physician Formula that printed for everyone last week. I used $3 off mystery coupon that printed this week. That reduces my total to $9.98. I rolled off $9.98, got back $8 extra bucks, making it $1.98. And as we know, this counts toward beauty as well. So this will give $1.5 in beauty, making it 48 cents for both of them. And I think that's a decent price. That 24 cents for Physician Formula's product, we don't find that much easy deal on that one. Okay, let's go to next deal. So next is hair care deal. As we know that in hair care there is a Pantene waterless and Aveeno shampoo. Those deals I combined together because I had 2 CRTs, $4 off $14 Pantene CRT and $4 off $18 hair care CRT. So Pantene this week was buy 4 get $6 extra bucks, and when you buy 3 then it will be $15, otherwise $5.99 each of them. I purchased 4 of them of the Pantene and 2 waterless. Waterless was buy 1 get 1 50% off. That will reduce your total as well. And Aveeno is $6.99, and when you buy 1 you will get back $2 extra bucks. So I used $5 off 2 Pantene digital coupon I used $5 of 2 from this month's PNG. I used $4 of $14 Pantene CRT. I used $2 of Pantene CRT. I used $2 of 3 Pantene instant coupon that printed for everyone last week. I used $5 of waterless coupon, and I used $4 of 2 waterless digital coupon. $4 of $18 hair care CRT, $4 of Aveeno hair care CRT. Using all of these, that reduces my total to $4.99. I got back $2 from Aveeno and $6 for Pantene, making it $8. And then this counts toward beauty as well. So final price was $4 money maker, and $4 money maker for beauty, and $4 money maker for buying these products. So if you have those CRTs, I know you guys have those CRTs, so combine them and use them this week. Even Aveeno, we don't get deals so easily, so I will definitely suggest you should do this deal. Let's go to next deal. So this is my spend $30 get $10 deal. I purchased 2 of the Huggies. They were marked as 2 for $20, 10, and 2 of these Tide Pods. They were marked as $4.94, making it $29.88. I used $3 of 2 digital coupon for Huggies. I used $3 of diaper CRT I got last week. $3 of Tide CRT, I got that one also from last week. $2 of Tide digital coupon. $1 of app only Tide coupon. $1 of app only Huggies coupon. $2 of Tide from this week PNG. You can use 2 of the coupons of Huggies as well, of $2, because I used $3 of 2 digital coupon because that's easy to go. So this reduces my total to $14.88. I got back $10 extra bucks. Then I submitted it to Ibotta. I got back $1 each for Huggies. That reduces my total to $2.88 for all of them. I think this is decent price for diapers, and I'm going to sell them on online shopping or Let Go or OfferUp. If anyone in the Bay Area region, do contact me. I can definitely help you, and like I sell products as well nowadays, and you can buy from the Let Go and OfferUp. You can reach out to me. Thanks guys for watching my video. Really appreciate your time. I'm looking for more subscriber. If you guys haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel. I will be coming for more hauls video and more breakdowns video for you guys, and don't forget to watch it. Really appreciate your time. Thank you. Stay safe.